Hi everybody. I'm Dr. Zainab Vora, and this is a special session that we are having where we are talking about, radiology residency in general and exam giving experience for recently passed out residents. The idea is to take young residents who have just joined radiology through the experience of, how the 3 years of residency have been for you, and then we talk about how to really go about the exams, when to start preparing. So first, I think it's a good idea to talk about your residency experience. How did you feel like when you had joined your respective hospitals, and then how was initial period like? Mayukhi, if you can introduce yourself and tell us about your college, how was the experience initially like for you?
Ma'am, it was very interesting for me because I did not want radiology, but I
Yeah.
chose it only so that I could move places just to be with my husband.
Oh.
And I was the first batch only student in my institute when I joined. So it
Hmm.
was very difficult for me because even my consultants, they did not have an idea what the curriculum should be like, how the academic should be like,
Hmm.
how much free hand should we even give this person, because
Yeah.
it's a corporate hospital. So initially it was very overwhelming, and there were no batchmates. I did not have friends. But gradually, the consultants, by God's grace, they were very kind to me and they taught me everything. And then the next year, I had my juniors also, and then it turned out to be a wonderful experience. We got a lot of hands on, and
Yeah.
we got to do CTM, everything, every reporting, even interventions also we got to assist. I mean, it was a nice experience for me.
So tell me, how did you utilize, your residency? I think again we'll get diverse answers because two of you had seniors to guide you, and you, Mayuki, didn't have seniors to guide you. So that would be interesting to hear. That how did you navigate through residency? Because I know for a fact that it does get overwhelming. Even though it is very interesting, it doesn't make sense initially that what's going on, right? So how did you go about different postings and navigating, and how were you managing academics, if at all you were, side by side while going through your posting? So if you can take us through what your residency looked like, in the last 3 years.
So being the first batch also has
Yeah.
its advantages because I
Hmm.
got to sit with the consultant, somebody who has 5, 6 years of experience
Yeah.
and even more. And I got to sit with them and they taught me everything. Even
Hmm.
how to hold the probe, everything, even the details that just somebody who's just 1 year senior to you, he or she might not be able to tell. So they taught me
Correct.
everything. But there were no academics as such. There were no regular presentations because I was the only one. So I was not able to do a seminar presentation every week. But yes,
Yeah.
I still there was a lot of just on the table learning. There was a lot of it, but there was no academics as such. No presentations, no exams, nothing. But
Yeah.
then uh, s- Fortunately, then I happen to have faculties who joined eConceptual. Dr. Arushi Yadav,
Hmm.
she joined, and then
Yes.
Dr. Ekta, and then Dr. Gursimran also. So that's that's how I learned. Basically, I did most of my learning from eConceptual only, the academic part. So that's how it ended up for me.
Amazing. Great. I think then you would have become the teacher for everybody uh, after a year. Uh,
For my juniors, yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, that's nice. I think you learn a lot teaching also. I used to teach a lot of my JRs, and that's how I studied. I was the only one in my batch also. So I had no batchmate to study with. So what I would do is I'll call all my juniors after our, duties over 4, 5. We would all sit and I would teach them. That's how I have studied. So I've made all of my juniors my batchmates, and they've prepared for the exam with me, even if they didn't want to. That is how it had happened with me. So I think you learn a lot when you teach. That's always, how I have studied.